my parents when they give me warm and cuddling hugs in the morning. I like my parents because they take me to do fun things. I like how they make me pizza for dinner sometimes. And I like getting up early and jumping in their bed and giving them a cuddle. I like about my parents that they love me. I like my parents because they are the best people that I've ever met. I love playing with my parents. I like playing with my dad and playing with my dad with Lego. I like cooking with my mum. I like to go on holidays with them. I like going to the movies with my parents. I like going out for dinner with my parents.
I like to have fun with my parents.
I like building Lego with them. Mum likes to be the judge in the Lego because she says she's not very good at it, but I think she's good. I love my parents this much. I like my parents for affinity. I love my parents infinity laps around the moon. I love my parents more than this whole universe.
Happy Parents!